Hello, welcome. Today we will introduce you unusual means of transport. Ferry. To start, I decided to start with ferry, a means of transport in which it's used to transport extensive long arrival from a point A to a point B. To just take cars to their destination. Hot air balloon. Think we got why a very air transport. We are thinking about the hot air balloon, a very characteristic means of transport for being one of the few that are area mainly for a tourist moment. Busy taxi. The famous busy taxi, an unusual means of transport which stand out for the fact that it is a bike driven, but the drive takes passenger from one destination to another pedaling. Sandboat. We can put together a sailboat with wheels. Because, because the Tansa boat, a comic means of transport where the tourist is transported by pedaling and the movement of the air. Keywords. Unusual, air, modern, comic, boats, only one, transport, tourist. Various information. I chose the four unusual means of transport because they are very interesting, each one and fulfill a function which is to tourists are have a good time, each one being unique in each area. Ferry. A ferry is about to transport people and vehicles on short trips. Its use are very old, from wooden barks used by civilization such as the Egyptians and Greeks to cross river. To the steam ferries of a modern between ports and islands. Today they are still essential on many coastal routes. Hot air balloon. Hot air balloon is an aircraft thanks for the hot air inside the fabric. Its origin dates back to the 1783, when the Montgolfier brothers made the first human flighting in France. Single cars have been used for exploration and recreational trips. Busy taxi. A busy taxi is a three-wheeled vehicle powered in pedals that is to use mobile passengers in short journeys within in the city. It appeared in Asia at the beginning of the 20th century and later adoption of the moving traditional rickshaw and overtail team spread to different countries for being an economical, accessible, and ecological transport. Sandboat. Sandboat is a very vehicle with size glitz of the surface to the certain mode wheel, using wheel skate instead of a float. Its modern origin dates back to the 19th and 20th centuries, when travelers and adventurers began to adapt nautical sails to move through downs and wide beaches. Over time, it has become a medium used for both exploring sport and arid and coastal areas. I finally thanks you for your attention. Thanks.